going to show you how you can be able to create content every day, every time you like. You will never be run out of content. What you need is to watch these videos till the end. Okay? Don't miss any part. Watch this video to the end as I explain everything on how to do this. Mind you, this is just a theory, and I'm going to show you some practicals on how to do all these things. We are going to talk about content planning and scripting. Okay, so why plan your content, guys? If you don't plan things, that things will plan you. Okay, like you just feel, I might sound all right now, like save times and reduce stress. Okay, saves times and reduce stress. So you have to plan your content very well. Keep your content consistent. Okay, keep your content consistent and helps you stay organized. When you plan your content, it will help you stay organized and ensure you always have ideas ready. Once you have planned it very well, you have some ideas ready. Mind you guys, we are going to learn how to never run out of content in this section. So how to plan a week's worth of content. Let's say you want to be posting content, 2 contents per day, morning and night. Okay, so what you need to do is pick your content themes for the week. Know your background, know where you want to create the content and everything. You have to plan everything. Okay, then research trending topic in your niche. Let's say I'm making money niche right now. I need to talk about anything making money niche. Okay, so how will I get all these things? How will I research all these things? What I need to do is that I can go to my YouTube, watching videos on those people that are into my niche, gain ideas from them. One, or I go to all those ChatGPT, like making money niche, give me 20 titles, 20 topics under affiliate marketing for my content creation that I want to create. It will give you, even if you want 100, it will give you. So you will not be run out of content anytime. Use a content calendar. Like we have Google Sheets that you can use, Notion and Trello. You need to plan everything. Like, okay, Monday I post in the morning and night. Tuesday I post in the afternoon only. Wednesday I post morning and afternoon. Thursday only night. You have to plan everything and add time to it so that when it's time, just come and post. You will have created content because we know we run out of content. Balance between education, entertainment, entertaining and promotional content. You need to balance everything. As a student, if you are a student, I know how it works. When I'm in school, I go by 8 and come back, and I reach out about 5 p.m. So I don't have times to post in school or to do anything when I'm in school until I get back home. And when I get back home, I might be tired. Okay, so that's why you need to plan. You need to plan your content. Okay. When you reach out from school, you're sleeping like 1 to 2 hours. Then you use like 1 hour, another 1 hour to go to search for a topic that can talk about your needs. Just use maybe like 1 hour, 2 hours. Create like 3 to 4 content. Okay, edit it that day. When you wanted to start your content creation, edit it that day. Then go to all those software that I talked about last time and schedule all these posts to it. When you go to school and you come back and you go to your social media page, you will see that all these videos have been posted automatically. So you need to balance your education, entertainment and promotional content. Where to find content ideas? One, we have Google Trends. If you don't want to use AI, we have Google Trends. Once you on your browser, just type Google Trends. The first thing that we see, you click on it, okay, and it will ask you to search for the topic. Just click making money tips. It will give you topics that we can talk about. Okay, it will give you the idea of something that you can talk about. That's how you'll be getting content for yourself. You will never run out of content. You want to use YouTube search suggestion. Go to YouTube, click on the search, type a niche that you are doing, making money in it. If you are finance, type finance. It will bring you list of something that people are searching and create a content around it. That one will make you go viral. So look at viral content in your niche. I'm saying it again. You need to have a particular niche when you want to start a content creation, so your viewers will not be confused. Answer common audience questions. There are some audience, your followers, they might ask you questions. You need to answer everything one by one. Then use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm. Once you have get all those topics, you can just come to your ChatGPT and say, okay, write, give me a script that can last maybe like 10 or 5 minutes about these topics, and make it engage. Make it that even 12 years old can understand what I'm saying about these things. And ChatGPT will give you full script and SEO about the topic that will make you go viral. So, how to write engaging script? Number one, when you want to start, you can type all these things to ChatGPT when you give it the topic. What you need to do is that tell him that you need a hook. I talked about it in our last video. Grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Okay? You need the hook. Second one is the body. Share valuable content in a structured way. Okay? Then call to action. The body talk about your content, the main content that you want to create. That's where your body is. And then call to action. Tell viewers what to do next. If it is share the video, if it's to like, if it's to comment, let them know. Put call to action to what you are doing. Okay, keep it short, clear and engaging. Make your script be engaging, make your content be engaging. That's why I say make ChatGPT understand that even young people will understand what you are saying. So you don't be using all those big grammars. Okay, so AI tools to help with scripting. Number one is ChatGPT. I've talked about it. Can generate scripts for you and code for you. Then write Sonic, you can use Write Sonic, Write Train, and Notions AI. All these tools will generate script ideas for you. Okay. And how long do you want the script? If you want the script for 3 hours, I can create for 3 hours videos for you. This AI will give you this script. Okay. So, example of simple script. Let me just use this as an example for you guys to know what we're talking about. So the hook, the first 30 seconds of your video, you can say, did you know you can grow on TikTok fast with this trick? When someone come across your video, maybe he mistakenly play the video yourself, don't know that it's hand have clicked the video, and here, did you know you can grow on TikTok fast with this trick? And that person already have that thing in mind, that thing I will talk about TikTok in mind, that the trick that wanted to know. That person will just calm and say, let me watch what these people want to say again. So most creators miss this example trick. Okay, then you can now talk about what you want to talk about the TikTok fast with this trick. So make it engaging, make it clear, and people will understand. So the last thing is follow for more content tips. I talk about call to action, CTA, call to action. Okay, make them know what to do next. You can tell them follow for more content tips. Here's the final tips for this content planning and scripting. So you need to stop here and wait for the next video section. Let's take this through step by steps on how to do it. So number one is keep a list of content ideas. Once you generate content ideas today, copy it and paste it somewhere or write it in a notebook. Okay, then keep it somewhere. Anytime you wanted to create a content, just come to it and create your own content around all these topics. Okay, then post it. Number two is batch creating script to save time. Okay, you can do all your editing or generate all the script that you want to create that week in a day. Then you create content, maybe like you use 2 days or you use 1 day to create the content, then another 1 day to edit everything, so that you know that week you are not creating any content. All what you need to do is to just be posting. Okay, so test different type, okay, test different script styles to see what works. Okay, when you are creating some scripts, check the analytics, know the one that is working. Then if the one that is working, create another content around it to make yourself stand out and gain followers and go viral on this social media. Then keep your content engaging and valuable. That's the best way you can gain followers and go viral for this page. So if you find these videos helpful, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, comment, like and share to others so that they will learn from this and start their content creation journey.